Hi, welcome back to AppGeeker's channel. Here's Yanis from AppGeekers.com. Today I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR won't turn off, or is frozen or is unresponsive. If your iPhone XS, XS Max or iPhone XR fails to turn off, don't panic. It might be a minor problem rather than a catastrophe. So what does it mean when your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR won't turn off? Similar to the boot process, when you trigger a shutdown, your iPhone software and hardware should stop working. If the software crashes or the hardware is malfunctioning, your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR will become frozen or not be able to turn off. First, you need to know how to shut off your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR. Press and hold either volume button and side button. And when the slider appears, drag the slider left or right, and your iPhone turns off. It's great, the buttons are working fine. If your iPhone can turn off or the slider doesn't show up, the buttons may not be working properly or need to be repaired. This is not a common case for the broken buttons unless you have joined your iPhone. Now let's say the software issue. It could be the reasons why an iPhone XS, XS Max or XR isn't turning off. To check if there's a problem with the software when powering off your iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, tap Shutdown, and then drag the slider left to right. If your iPhone is not responding or doesn't come up with the slide to power off, it should be a software issue that caused the shutdown issue. Most of the time, a forced restart will get your iPhone back up and running. It's pretty easy to force shutdown and restart the iPhone XS, XS Max and XR. And all you need to do is pressing 3 keys, volume up, volume down, and the side button. Now see how to hard reset your iPhone. Be aware that this is for iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. On older iPhones, you need to use different key combinations. Press and release volume up button. Press and release volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Alright, Apple logo appears. Let go of the side button and your iPhone turns off and turns back on. So that's how to force shutdown iPhone XS, XS Max or XR when it will not turn off. Next, update iOS to the latest version. Whenever a new iOS is released, it should fix the bugs with the software. So it's worth trying to do this. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. Good job! What if iPhone XS, XS Max or XR won't shut off or open apps? The hard reset and iOS update are of no avail. Try to use an iOS troubleshooter. And iOS system recovery has helped me a lot. The software efficiently fixed my iPhone XS that won't turn off. And now my frozen iPhone is working in order. If you are interested in the software, you can find the download link in the description section below. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problem. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. It's all that simple. Alright, after all of the useful troubleshooting tips, the last solution you can do at home is to restore your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR. It won't sound anything from your phone and restore it into factory defaults. If you don't know how to do this, check out our guide in the description section below. If none of these steps help and your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR still won't turn off, the problem can be tricky. It's probably the hardware issue. Maybe the screen is broken or isn't responding, or the side button is broken. It's time to bring to Apple Store to repair the screen or the side button. Make an Apple Genius Bar appointment ahead of time. Well, that's what you need to do when your iPhone XS, XS Max or XR will not turn off. Hopefully your iPhone is up and running again. If you find this video helpful for you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AppGeeker's channel, and click the notification bell to get updates when we upload a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave anything in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video.